In this video, we're making banana walnut bread. That's pretty much it. Short and sweet. Let's get to it. For the dry mixture, into a large bowl, add 2 cups of flour, 1 1/4 teaspoons of baking soda, and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Give it a quick mix, and to prevent the flour from flying all over the place at a later step, transfer it to a small bowl and set it off to the side until the end. You don't have to, but it'll make your life a lot easier. For the wet ingredients, in a large stand mixer, cream together 1 stick of unsalted butter at room temperature and 1 1/2 cups of light brown sugar on medium-high speed for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, reduce the speed to low and add in 2 large eggs one at a time and mix until just combined, scraping down the sides and bottom of the bowl as needed. Next, beat in a 1/2 cup of sour cream and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Don't overmix, 5 to 10 seconds each for the eggs, sour cream, and vanilla. Now that the wet ingredients are done, we can add in the dry. With the stand mixer still on low speed, slowly add in the flour mixture a little bit at a time until well incorporated. Followed by 3 to 4 very ripened bananas that have been mashed, once again until just combined. Remove the bowl from the mixer and fold in a 1/2 cup of crushed walnuts. Pour the batter into an 8.5 by 4.5 loaf pan that has been greased and lined with parchment paper. Smooth out the top of the batter. Then bake at 350 degrees for 65 to 70 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let the bread cool in the pan for 1 to 2 hours before removing it. Once cooled, give it a quick slice right down the middle. And there we have it, banana walnut bread.